What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. The Malibu is almost done. I would say 80% done. Off camera, I did some work again. I put the car back on, fuel lines are on, the throttle bracket is on. What else? A lot of this stuff is pretty much done. I gotta do the distributor next, probably today or tomorrow. But in the last video, I told you I was gonna do the rear lights. But bro, it was way too easy. Well, I kind of went with the OEM route and better route, easier route. This thing already had wires coming out of here. And it goes out here. Just boom. So, instead of me rewiring the whole entire rear end, I just cut the wires that I need and, what is it called? Rewired it. Bruh, easy work. Less work for me. Cause look, if you look at it, there's a whole bunch of wires that I have to like run and then split to go to the other side. It's just too much work. With the El Camino, I had to rewire the whole entire rear end and it was a pain. It took me probably like 2 days, 3 days to get that finished. And I told myself I was not gonna do that ever again. And I didn't look in the back on the Malibu, so I was like, dang, I had to redo it with this car. But luckily, it had a wire coming out, like I said. So all I had to do was just rewire these and boom, we're done. I got one more wire left, which is this right here. That's the reverse light. This kit doesn't come with a reverse light, but let me show you guys real quick. Let me go inside the car. But we will be using this right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a CB radio. That is a 12-volt source ignition. So we're gonna wire up our own reverse light. But in the meantime, we're doing more wirings inside the car. Boom, look at this rat's nest. I ended up putting a distribution block because I need it. And we're routing the battery to the back. No more battery up front, man. I'm trying to make this look clean. But I ended up putting a lot of the stuff right here, just like my MSD box and that little fuse box right there. Right here. I put, what is this called? Double-sided tape. But I ended up talking to my Uncle Kevin, and he was like, why don't you just make a plate? So you can just drill and, you know, it's going to be easier for you to remove in the future. I thought about it. I was like, you know what? That's a better idea. So that's what we did. I had some aluminum sheets laying around. So I ended up cutting it last night pretty late and it was loud. So cut it and I just grinded it down, smoothed it out. And this thing looks pretty clean, man. I try to match it as even as I can. Right there. Boom. Y'all see that? So, of course, we're going to bolt this down. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do that. Because since we did the firewall, all these holes right here are like pretty much covered up. I'm thinking rev nuts. I don't know. I still got to think about it. But I don't want to drill through the freaking firewall. That's the scary part. So I don't want to do that. Also, I need spacers. I got to space it out. I need this to come out a little bit further this way towards me. So I don't, you know, when I do drill and mount those stuff, it's not going to hit the firewall. So this is going to be a very tricky situation that we're in. But we should be money, man. It's just gonna be very careful and precise. All right, so I'm at the hardware store right now to get some screws and bolts. I just asked the worker to see if they had any riv nuts available, but it looks like they don't. So I'm gonna have to order some on Amazon, and hopefully they can arrive today or tomorrow. All right, so we just got done paying. Got some bolts, some spacers. Sadly, they didn't have no riv nuts, but it's all good. I'm gonna order some. Shout out to Ace Hardware, man. They know me here, bro. I'm here like every day, buying a bunch of just bolts and nuts and all that stuff, man. So shout out to them. They're cool people. So I'm gonna go home real quick and get to working on that Malibu. We're just gonna do some measurements to see where I'm gonna bolt this plate down. Take my ruler real quick to see how far up I had to go. Boom. Now we're gonna go and drill real quick. One done. Ooh. Ooh, this is the scary part, bro. I am super scared because I don't want to drill through the firewall. I'm probably gonna put something in the back of it, so it doesn't hit the firewall at all. We got the plate somewhat bolted in. Luckily, we did not hit the firewall. It still looks clean, man. I got scared though. I hit it a few times, but it did not dent through the back or the firewall that we painted. But this is how she's looking right now, big dog. Yo. Tell me that's not fire, bro. Tell me. So we spaced it out about 1 inch so we could drill a good amount for our MSD box and fuse box and other stuff in the future. You feel me? But this side right here is very secured. It's not fully bolted down, just, you know, a little mock-up. So it's not moving. But this side has a lot of movement. You see it? So we gotta find a last spot for us to bolt it down. Down here, if you can see, there's this opening right here. It's huge, but I do have some like scrap metal in the back that I could bend to a Z. So it goes up, bend this way, and then bend up. So I think that's the route we're gonna take. I gotta go find it real quick though. But other than that, this thing looks solid, man. Ooh, I don't know if I should paint it or just leave it like this. But I feel like if we do paint it, it'll look a little bit cleaner. But we're gonna drill all the holes first for the MSD box and the fuse box. And now that we have this plate, we can mount a whole bunch of things, you know. Another bigger fuse box if I wanted to. I'm getting my MSD blaster today, so I'm gonna route that inside too. So it's gonna be mounted up on here. It's gonna be nice. So I'm gonna go look for that metal scrap real quick and get back to y'all when I'm done. Cool, this is what we came up with, man. It's a Z, you feel me? A Z. So that's how it's gonna look. So mount this, and it's gonna go like that. Y'all can't see it, but that's how I'm gonna mount it. So now I'm gonna go and drill some holes on it, and then drill a hole right here too. Just like that, the plate is done. Check this bad boy out. Ooh, yes sir. The bracket that we made, I'm gonna have to grind it so it's not sharp edges, so I'm gonna like round it out. But it's not bolted down, it's just, but once that's bolted down, it's gonna be secured. I'm gonna be moving the distribution block on the plate, so nothing's gonna be on this little piece right here. Make it look clean. And then we're gonna take this plate off and start drilling holes for the MSD box and my fuse box. I'm waiting for a part at O'Reilly's. It's my MSD blaster. So once we get that, we're gonna drill a hole for it too, and then remove everything and paint it. We're gonna paint it black. It's gonna look super clean rather than this scratched up aluminum. You see it? But I'm going to my mom's house today because every Sunday we go to my mom's house and we just chill over there. And then after we're done at my mom's, we're gonna come back here and continue with all the stuff that we gotta do and then somewhat finish the wires. I'm hoping I can wire up everything today because we have a little bit left. Other than the digital dash that I have, we're almost done. We're pretty much done with the wirings, bro. So I'm excited because we are like one step closer, actually 2 steps closer to finishing this car, bro. Check this thing out, bruh. Ooh. Tell me that don't look nice, man. Sheesh. Here, I'm bring out the flashlight real quick and y'all can see. It's wrinkled black. I gotta fix that crack, man. That's throwing me off a little bit. But yeah, check that out, man. Wrinkled black is very clean. And it looks pretty slick. I ain't gonna lie to you. I still gotta finish some of the like wirings over here, routing it. I had to take off the zip ties because I had to extend some wires, and yeah, it was a whole bunch of stuff that I had to do. And I also drilled some holes. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's small little holes right there on the plate for me to like bring these right here with some zip ties that I'm currently using on the harness. It's the one that goes in the hole. And a zip tie. I forgot the name of it, but I ordered some more of those and it should be here tomorrow because I had to cut a lot of them and redo a lot of these like loom. But this thing came out super nice, bro. I am super excited. This means the engine bay is gonna look even cleaner because there's nothing on there. You feel me? It's all inside the car and it's easy for me to access to because I got nothing behind my dash. So we can get to this fuse box right here, you know, put the wire to program this MSD, and for the, what is it called, for the blaster, it's just gonna be there, man. I'm gonna end up doing the battery tomorrow because it's freaking cold and I want to go inside. Still got some few parts coming in. I'm not gonna rush the Malibu. I'm gonna take it slow. Still got a few things to do for it to be even be drivable. You feel me? So take it slow. I gotta wire up the dash maybe tomorrow too or some. I don't know. It all depends on how I feel. The weather says it's gonna be raining, so hopefully it doesn't rain so I could come here and work on it. But if it is, then I'll take the day off. You feel me? But other than that, I think that's it for today, man. We did a great ass job on this plate and I am super proud of myself. Thank God I did this because I was just gonna use double-sided tape, which I think I said that in the video. I did use double-sided tape before, just mounted it on the firewall that we welded up, but thank God we made a plate. But other than that, man, that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys want to stick around some of this current project and the future projects, hit that subscribe button. But on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Good night.